In no time, we got into perfect register in a snap, and fan out is not an issue. This press isn't specifically designed for waterless printing. In fact, the plate cylinders are standard without cooling provision, but this conventional machine can produce great waterless prints, as you can see. And Toray waterless plates lets you switch between paper and plastic or other non-absorbent substrates easily and quickly while maintaining superior quality standards and high productivity. It looks like the press has stopped. Marcus, do we have a problem? Oh, I see. The job's already finished. Now, our friend Gopher, the automatic guided vehicle from our Spanish partner Asti, will come to collect the printed sheets. And while the first job is being transferred to the finishing area for cutting, Marcus will change the plates and substrate for the next job. You see, since we're printing with UV cure, relieves your operator from the mundane task of moving pallets, freeing him up to concentrate on the tasks that require real printing skills. A PC40 cuts a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes from every job and turns your time into money. Come and join us, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have a graphic industry world premiere in about a second now. Good job, Gopher. It looks like our pallet has been delivered, and Rob can now swing into action. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the world premiere for a two-armed robot in the graphic arts industry, brought to you by Toray and IRA. Rob will look for and remove any obstructions or foreign objects. He will then check the exact height of the top sheet and get into action, lifting the paper onto the vibration table for further processing. There is of course a limit to the number of sheets that can be handled at a time, so he will repeat this task a few times. Rob was developed in cooperation with the University of Southern Denmark and Linköping University in Sweden, and IRA has designed a proprietary gripper system and software that adapts the famous Motorman technology to the printing industry. While Rob is busy, let's come back to the press. This particular KBA Rapida 106 is fitted with a plate loading system that changes the plates automatically in less than 4 minutes. The characteristic green-colored Toray Waterless CTP plates that are fed into the press are really special. These plates are covered with a silicone coating which repels the ink in the non-image area. The plates can be imaged by any plate setter with an 830 nanometer thermal laser. Image resolution up to 300 LPI is possible, depending on the plate type, and a run length up to 100,000 impressions can be achieved. I should stress that our plates are developed in a plate processor that uses only a fraction of the chemicals needed for processing conventional printing plates, which means that in addition to incredible quality, the Toray Waterless process is also easy on the environment. Ladies and gentlemen, have you noticed it looks like the press is moving again? Now this time we'll show you another key advantage of UV Waterless using a substrate that's difficult to print on with conventional offset methods. Let's have a look at what our second substrate is. It's Teslin SP1200 synthetic paper for security products with a biodegradable plastic base and also with a water-based varnish. Marcus is going to briefly stop the press after a few sheets to check the quality, which is a normal procedure when printing on expensive materials. In today's world, with decreasing run lengths, the low make-ready waste of Waterless has a great impact on your bottom line, and even more so when you use costly materials like print packaging and security products. Starting production with Waterless is also faster and easier than with conventional offset because There's no ink-water balance to adjust. Hey Rob, how's it going? Twist and shake? Rock around the clock? Shift after shift, day after day. That's no problem for this guy. Rob will never call in sick with a bad back. Look at that. Poetry in motion. That's the future, ladies and gentlemen. Could be your present, as a matter of fact. Good job, Rob. Look at that. He's even cleaning up. You know what they say in Germany? Ordnung und Sauberkeit muss sein. Good housekeeping is a must. And now that the material has been transferred onto the file on the jogging table, the printing job will disappear into the Perfecta cutting machine, a combination of high-speed guillotine, automatic loading module, and jogging table. Back to our process. One thing we haven't talked about yet are the ink characteristics, which play a very important role in waterless printing. Sahara UV Cure ink from classic colors lets you switch between paper and non-absorbent substrates like different kinds of plastic or metallized materials without changing the ink. And that's a critical factor for achieving maximum productivity. Waterless is such a valuable tool for printers who are seeking to expand their products range and increase their profits. No dampening water gets rid of the instability problems you get with conventional UV printing, resulting in higher quality consistency, less waste, and the elimination of all fountain chemicals from the effluent. In fact, did you know that a typical B1 format press running wet offset on 3 shifts consumes up to 100,000 liters of water, 10,000 liters of IPA, and 3,500 liters of fountain concentrate every year? Not too eco-friendly, right? Whereas waterless changes the whole equation. With Toray waterless plates, you get a totally sustainable process that has the highest quality and environmental credentials your customers could be looking for. You'll produce razor-sharp, brilliant images with a wider color spectrum than conventional printing on nearly any kind of non-absorbent substrate like plastics, foils, metal, or even wood. And indeed, throughout Drupa, we'll be printing on lots of different challenging materials, giving you the opportunity to witness the amazing versatility and consistency of our process. There he goes. Good job, Gopher. Looking for a convenient place to set down the palette. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, make sure once this demonstration is over to pick up a print sample. Benjamin had it right. Time is money. What a genius. You know it, we know it, and Toray's value-added on-demand waterless UV printing technology is your way to both save time and increase profits. Waterless on-demand offset, your alternative to digital inkjet. Now, from one genius to another, the innovative compact waterless Genius 52 UV to your right will start printing in a moment. Plus, on the KBA stand just next door, you'll find the new various narrow web machine from KBA Print. And finally, be sure to visit the Marks 3Z stand in Hall 3 for more Toray waterless solutions. If you would like more details about these solutions, the information desk will connect you with one of our Toray experts or partner representatives. Thank you for joining us today.